Discuss exercise 6C, question number 1. The given question is the ratio between given question is the ratio between the two number is 2:3. So the ratio between the two number is 2:3. Let the two number be x and y. हमने दो नंबर लेट कर लिए x और y. Let the two number be x and y. Ratio means x upon y. The given ratio is 2/3. Then x upon y is equals to 2/3. On cross multiplication 3x is equals to 2y. 2y transfer from right hand side to left hand side, it convert into minus 2y. 3x minus 2y is equals to 0. Equation number 1. The second statement is that if 2 is subtracted from the first number is x, so 2 is subtracted from the first, so it convert into x minus 2, and 8 is subtracted from the second number is y, so 8 is subtracted from the second, so y minus 8, the ratio become reciprocal. The first ratio is 2/3, the ratio of the reciprocal means 2/3 has the reciprocal is 3/2, so x if be subtracted from the first number by 2 and second by 8, so x is subtracted by 2 because first number is subtracted by 2, so x minus 2, second is subtracted by 8, so y minus 8, ratio become reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. On cross multiplication 2 into x minus 2, 2x minus 4, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 8 minus 24, 2x minus 3y minus 4 transfer up to there, minus 24 plus 4 is equals to minus 20. Here coefficient of y is 2, here is coefficient of y is 3. Now we have to equal the coefficient of y. To equal the coefficient of y, we have to multiply by 3 in equation number 1. We multiply by 3, so it convert into 6, and this convert into 6, so we have to multiply by 2 in equation number 2. पहले ही बताया था मैंने आपको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन के y के कोफिशिएंट का सेकंड के y के कोफिशिएंट का फर्स्ट में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. देन 3 3 जा 9x, 3 2 जा 6y, 3 into 0 0, 2 2 जा 4x, 2 3 जा 6y minus 40. They have opposite sign. When they have opposite sign, then on adding they have same sign, minus and minus, so on. When they have same sign, on subtracting, the second equation sign should be changed. On subtracting, second equation sign should be changed, so plus convert into minus, minus convert into plus, plus convert into minus. 9 minus 4, 5x plus 40, 5 8 is 40, x is equals to 8, y1, 3x minus 2y is equals to 0, 3 into x, value of x 8 is equals to minus 2y, transfer from left hand side to right hand side, 2y, 2 4 is 8, y is equals to 12. It is your required answer. Question number 4 is given that the two number are in ratio. Question number 4, the sum of the two positive number x and y, where x is greater than y, so let the two number be x and y. Sum is given 50, so x plus y is equals to 50, and given second statement is given that the difference their square, the square of the first number x square of the second number y square, difference which minus is equals to 720. We know that formula of x square minus y square, x plus y, x minus y is equals to 720. Value of x plus y given by equation number 1, we have to put at the place of x plus y 50, 0 and 0 cancel, 5 से 72 cancel, 14.4. Equation number 2. On solving equation 1 and 2, plus y and minus y cancel, x and x 2x, 50 plus 14.4, 64.4, x is equals to 32.2. By equation number 1, x plus y is equals to 50, 32.2 plus y is equals to 50, y is equals to 50 minus 32.2 is equals to 17.8. Now the question number 8, the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2. Let the numerator be x, and जब भी fraction होता है in the question, when the type of the question given in type of the fraction, so we have to let the numerator be x and denominator be y and fraction x upon y. numerator x let करते हैं, denominator y, तो fraction हो जाता है x upon y. According to the statement is given, the numerator of a fraction increased by 2, the numerator is x. When x is increased by 2, it convert into x plus 2, and denominator decreased by 1, so denominator y convert into y minus 1. The fraction is 2 upon 3, the numerator x plus 2, denominator y1, y minus 1, so x plus 2 upon y minus 1 convert into fraction. The given fraction is 2 by 3, so equals to 2 by 3. On cross multiplication, 3x, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 2 into y 2y, 2 1 ja 2, y को एक साइड ट्रांसफर, कांस्टेंट वेरिएबल एक साइड और कांस्टेंट एक साइड, 2y ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कन्वर्ट माइनस 2y, 6 ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट माइनस 2 और माइनस 6 माइनस 8, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, if it become 2y, if the numerator increased by 1, numerator is x, if x increased by 1, it convert into x plus 1, and denominator increased by 2, denominator is y, if increased by 2, it convert into y plus 2, then it become 1 by 3, so equals to 1 by 3. On cross multiplication, 3x plus 3 or y plus 2, y transfer from right hand side to left hand side convert minus 1 by, and 3 transfer from right to left minus 2 to minus 3 to 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1, equation number 2. Here the coefficient of y is 1, here is the coefficient of y is 2, so convert this into this coefficient of y convert into 2 on multiplication by 2 in equation number 2. So it convert first equation 3x minus 2y minus 8, second convert 3 2 ja 6x, 2 1 ja 2 and minus 2. They have same sign. On subtraction sign, second equation sign should be changed, minus plus or plus. 3x minus 6x minus 3x plus minus cancel, minus 8 minus plus 2 minus 6 minus 3 2 ja 6 minus minus plus x is equals to 2 by equation 1, 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 8. Now we have to put at the place of x 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 transfer from right hand side to left hand side to right hand side convert into minus 6, minus 2y is equals to minus 14, 2 7 ja 14 minus minus plus y is equals to 7. We have to find out the fraction is x upon y, value of x is 2, value of y is 7, so answer is 2 upon 7. Question 18, question number 13 to 18 same as a. So now we will discuss the question number 15. The given that a 2-digit number such that the 10th digit exceed the twice digit number. When be the question comes that this type the question, a number, a 2-digit number, then a 2-digit number, the 2-digit number contain 2 digit, one of the unit digit and other is the 10th digit. Suppose that a 2-digit number is 23. 23, this is known as the unit digit and this is known as the 10 digit. So unit digit let ki humne x and 10 digit be y. So when we write 23 in fact, we have to do this type of the question in class 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 23 write in the expanded form. So we have to write 2 into 10 plus 3. The proper method is that the 10th digit multiply by 10 and unit digits should be added in the unit digit should be added and 23 means unit digit is 3, 10 digit is 2. So 10th digit multiply by 10 and unit digit should be added. This is the expanded form of 2-digit number. So we have to write same as the 10 when we have to multiply by 10 in 10th digit. So y multiply by 10 and unit digit should be added. So number be 10y plus x. Now statement is that, now given statement is that the digit exceed, the 10th digit exceed, यानी 10 digit जो है वो exceed means बड़ी है, तो 10 digit means y is exceed the twice of the unit digit. Twice of unit digit means 2x. Which is greater? Y is greater 2x. By how much greater? Is this number is greater by the 2x by 2. Yani given that 10th digit is greater than the twice of the unit digit. Twice of the unit digit means 2x. Greater means ये ज़्यादा है, यानी ये नंबर इससे बड़ा है. बड़े का मतलब ये इससे ज़्यादा है. कितना ज़्यादा? यानी दोनों का it is more than 2. More than 2 यानी difference between these two number is 2. So we can write as y minus 2x is equals to 2. Y minus 2x is equals to 2. It is the equation number 1. And now given that the number obtaining the interchanging the digit, the number obtaining interchanging the digit, number obtained by interchanging the digit, interchanging the digit. अब डिजिट को हमें क्या करना है? इंटरचेंज करना है, यानी यूनिट डिजिट को इंटरचेंज करना है. ना यूनिट डिजिट इज x, इट कन्वर्ट इनटू y, और 10 डिजिट इज y, इट कन्वर्ट इनटू x, यानी x को y की प्लेस पे और y को x की प्लेस पे. अभी तक यूनिट डिजिट आपकी x थी, 10 डिजिट y थी. इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो 10 डिजिट हो जाएगी आपकी x और यूनिट डिजिट हो गई y. Now number is 10x plus y. The sum of the number, the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 5 more than the 3 times of the sum of the digit. So this number is 10x plus y is 5 more by 3 times sum of the digit. 3 times of the sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is x plus y. 3 times means multiply by 3. So this number is greater y 5. 3 times of this, 3 times of the sum of digit. This is the sum of the digit. This is the interchanging the number. This is the number obtained by the interchanging digit. Given that this number is exceed by this number y 5, यानी ये नंबर इससे 5 ज़्यादा है. ज़्यादा मीन्स इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 5. So we have to open the bracket. 10x plus y minus 3x minus 3y is equals to 5. Then 7x minus 2y, 10x minus 3x, 7x, 3y minus plus y minus 2y is equals to 5. Equation number 2. Here the coefficient is of y is 1. Here is the coefficient of y 2. So this 1 is converted into 2. We have to multiply by 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is converted into minus 4x, 2 2 is 4, and plus y is equals to 2. 2y is equals to 2. Now equation number second is 7x minus 2y is equals to 5. On adding this and this cancel, 3x is equals to 7. Multiply by 2 in equation number 1. Minus 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into y, 2y, 2 2 ja 4. The second equation is 7x minus 2y is equals to 5. Then on adding, because they have opposite sign, on adding 7x minus 4x 3x plus y2 minus 2y cancel, 4 plus 5 9, x is equals to 3. Now we have to put this value in equation number 1. Then y minus 2x is equals to 2. Then y minus 2 into 2 we have to put at the place of x 2. Then y of x 3. So y is equals to 2 minus 6 convert into plus 6. Then y is equals to 8. The number is equals to, now number is equals to क्या था आपका? Number is 10y plus x. So 10 into 8 plus 3. So answer is 83. 10y plus x, value of y is 8. 10y प्लस एक्स है और ये 383 उल्टा क्या आंसर नंबर 18 let unit digit a 2-digit number let unit digit be x 10 digit be y number 10y plus x a 2-digit number obtained by multiply the sum of the digit by 8 the 2-digit number is 10y plus x this obtained by the multiply by 8 into the sum of the number is x plus y sum of the digit is x plus y this number is obtained by multiply by 8 in sum of the digit is x plus y if we and multiply by 8 if we multiply by 8 in the sum of the digit so x sum of the digit is x plus y if multiply by 8 then it convert into x plus y into 8 it equals to the it is equals to the number क्योंकि because it is given that the number is obtained यानी number जो obtained हुआ वो कहाँ से हुआ if we multiply by 8 in sum of the digit the sum of the digit is x plus y multiply by 8 जब हम sum of digit में 8 से multiply करेंगे तो ये number obtained होगा यानी दोनों हो जाएंगे equal then first equation is 10y plus x is equals to 8x plus 8y सबको एक साइड ट्रांसफर करेंगे इस साइड लाएंगे 8 then 10y plus x minus 8x minus 8y equals to 0 minus 7x minus 8x plus x minus 7x 10y minus 8y plus 2y equals to 0 equation number 1 and second statement is also it is obtained by multiplying the difference of their number by 14 अब कह रहे हैं सेम मेथड से ये नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड होता है इफ बी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 14 इनटू डिफरेंस ऑफ द डिजिट देन द डिफरेंस ऑफ डिजिट इज x माइनस वाई देन 10y प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू यहाँ सम था बस यहाँ डिफरेंस है बाकी मेथड सेम है 14x माइनस 14y so minus 14x transfer to either here so x minus 14x it convert into minus 13x plus 14y हो जाएगा then it convert into 24y or difference between the and adding 2 then plus 2 this number is obtained 10y plus x on multiply by 14 in difference of digit x minus y multiply by 14 and adding 2 तो plus 2 अगर हम डिफरेंस ऑफ डिजिट में 14 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और उसमें 2 ऐड कर दें तो जो नंबर आएगा वो इस ये डिजिट के बराबर होगा यानी 10y प्लस x आ जाएगा यानी ये वाला नंबर कब आएगा जब हम डिफरेंस ऑफ डिजिट में 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करें उसमें 2 ऐड कर दें तो ये इक्वेशन आ गई आपकी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 वी हैव टू सी दैट हियर इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ